So we're going to get started with the close reading question. At this point, Ms. Sneed has passed them out. Now, it says, use your knowledge of chronological text, so remember time order, chron is time in Latin, to answer the following question. How is the creation of the Constitution similar to the Declaration of Rights of Women? How is it different? Cite evidence from both creating the Constitution and fighting for the rights to vote to support your answer. So, broken this down into steps for you. Step 1, you're going to have to reread creating the Constitution and fighting for the right to vote. Now, you're not going to have to reread all of fighting for the right to vote. You're only going to reread the chunk about women and their fight for their right to vote. And then you are going to fill in the chart. Now, the chart is on the paper. It says right here, who was there? You'll tell me who was at the Constitution Convention here. Who was there? Who was at the meeting of the Declaration for Women's Rights? I added a little note on your worksheet. You'll tell me how long it took for them to write the Constitution. You'll tell me how long it took for them to write the Declaration of Rights. And then you'll need to tell me the result. Now, next, you will use the answers in the chart to answer the questions. So this is finding the evidence. The chart is where all of the evidence is living. And then you are going to tell me how the two are alike. So you'll use your own words. The two are alike because. It's just like an Oreo. You'll give your reason, your evidence, and explanation. You'll need to write at least 3 sentences. And same thing for how are they different. You'll need to write 3 sentences. The two are different because. It's just like an Oreo. This is something that's going to be collected at the end of the timer when the timer goes off. If you finish before the timer goes off, feel free to do Lexia. If you're having difficulty logging on to Lexia, please remember that Ms. Romano's email is already on the whiteboard. So again, step 1, reread. You're gonna have to reread. And for some of us, remember, I've assigned the book to us on Benchmark, and you can even have it read to you. Fill in the chart, and then step 3, answer the questions in the chart. All right, I know you guys are gonna do great. When this video ends, please press the timer. Good luck, everyone. I can't wait to see how well you do.